Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
Part of the job of the Deputy Corporation Counsel for the City of Pembroke. You, sir, are your not business records, correct? No, we use it good.
What are you doing?
Doesn't make sense. Wasting money to spend. All you wanted was spend.
Get off the road!
Then got no.
Do it! Do it! Hit me! Hit me! Do it! Do it! Hit me!
But when you're drunk and in bed, you come find me to take out. So call me what you want. Be as it may, I tell you go. I don't have a lot, so how the little that I've given. My hollow bank account and all your these are my diamonds, all I'm left. You wanna come, but it's what you can't see.
My God! Because they do that. Jesus Christ!
I can tell that he's not really attracted to me because the surgery didn't really make a difference. He doesn't compliment me. He doesn't complain or bash my looks, but he doesn't about my looks either.
From 1977, it's Dreams, Fleetwood Mac. A More Music Bobathon. It's 105.5 and 100.7.
Expired or whatever. So, oh my God. Hey, be careful. Hey, be careful. What are you doing? What the fuck? Oh my God, he's so close.
Oh, baby.
No, he's cutting from part. You are on camera. You are on dash cam. I'm dropping it to police. He's following me now. We came road bridge.
No.
He's next to me.
Is he really?
I'm calling 911. CF90079.
911.
Remember, CF90079.
Up to the dollars. Oh shit! Bruh! What you doing?
What the hell?
Don't hit me.
Like always. God.
The fuck are we doing? Idiots.
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.